Hey guys, just running another couple of tests. Wanted to show you this. This is the transparency. So another just a piece of film sheet, and I'm using the 23 lumen projector from 4 feet away. And this is with ambient light coming through the windows here in the transparency. And I'm still getting a nice image. Now I'm getting the projector. I hate to use the term projector glare from this side, but hold on just a second. Alright, so now the image doesn't look as clear from this side because there's a buckle in the actual cellophane. You can see kind of how it's ridge, and then a buckle right there. But there's no hot spotting on that image anywhere. I can move this around. I'm not going to get any hot spotting. That's on a transparency. Dual-sided, you could front or back projection. Using a 23 lumen projector with light coming in through the window. This is actually 2 coats. That's just 2 very light sprays across that piece of clear film. So, just figured we'd do another quick display. Thank you for watching. If you got any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Thanks.